Welcome to the London College of Beauty Therapy. The time to start your new course is very near. There's been a few changes since COVID-19, but we want you to have the best experience here. College life doesn't feel the same just now, but this is what the new normal looks like today. We want to make sure that you are safe, so please listen carefully to what we say. First, you'll need to queue outside. Social distancing is the key to keeping COVID away. Keep a safe distance apart from everyone else and please stand behind the markers on the pathway. Once you come in, use some hand sanitizer to keep your hands nice and clean. Our friendly team will take your temperature and ask you some questions about how you've been. We'll ask you if you have a new persistent cough and if you've lost your sense of smell or taste. Don't forget to read your learner agreement before you arrive, or you may find yourself reading this in haste. If you need a mask or gloves, don't forget to ask and give your name and show your ID pass. Make sure you have your pen and tools, then you're good to go to start your class. No lifts for students, please take the stairs and you must keep left and please take care. If you can't take the stairs, that's okay, just let us know so we can prepare. Please don't bring valuables or large items into college, as during this time the lockers are out of use. Water fountains and vending machines are also out, so remember to pack your lunch and bottle of juice. Only one person will be allowed in each toilet block. Please keep a safe distance when you are queuing. Wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap and water and make sure this is something you keep on doing. Your teacher will guide you to your workstation. Your products will be ready for you and disinfected. Gloves and masks need to be worn before you treat your client. At the end of your day, full sanitization of your area is expected. We hope you feel reassured and as prepared as you can be. The next time we see you will be your first day at LCBT.
Watch me